Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Roblox account email is correct and you can open messages. Check spam. Once done, prepare your phone. Decide between SMS or an authenticator app because each method behaves differently. SMS can be delayed by carriers. Next, sign in on a trusted device without a VPN or corporate firewall, since these can block verification traffic. Doing these first avoids common connection and message delivery failures, so you can proceed to enable two-step securely. Now enable two-step in account settings under Security. Pick SMS or an authenticator app depending on your preference. If you choose an app, scan the QR code or type the manual setup key. This is more reliable and offline. Store any backup codes somewhere safe and separate from your phone. If you choose SMS, carefully enter your phone number and request the code. Carrier delays mean you may need to wait 2 to 5 minutes before retrying. These steps link your device, so verification codes work properly. Finish by signing out and signing back in to confirm the codes are accepted. This verifies the flow end-to-end. If you're locked out, use your backup codes immediately, then reset the two-step method. If codes fail repeatedly, clear browser cache, try a different device, or switch from SMS to an authenticator app because apps avoid carrier issues. If problems persist, contact Roblox support and provide your account ID, approximate timestamps, and screenshots. These details speed resolution and help recover access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.